Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. You notice I'm still wearing the same clothes from the last one because I'm just going right into the next video. On this one right here, man, we're going to start out taking that 3/4 clutch pack apart, sitting right over there. And then I'm going to probably call it a night and then get into checking all this stuff. Because if y'all haven't went back and watched the videos from last year when we went to No Name Nationals, me and Lars has already been into this. This should be a piece of cake. There shouldn't be anything wrong, but I was using that other manual and not the one Tony sent. So I want to read through that, get it all figured out, and then put it back together, right? So hang on, here we go. Let's take this 3/4 clutch pack out of this thing. All right, so there's a snap ring on top. We got to get that out of there, right? There it goes. Go a little deeper. Dang it. There. Yeah. I'm gonna just walk her around. There's that. Now, this is a pressure plate. I remember this. Right, looks good. And then our clutch pack, if I can get it out of there. I mean, everything in this looks good, you know. So there's that. Then I can't remember, I think that's a 4th and this is 3rd, or it might be backwards. Heck, I don't know. I gotta get another snap ring out of here. Come on, there. There, I got you. I need a bigger screwdriver. There it is. There's that. And then there's another clutch plate. Right, and then we got a crap ton of clutches, and I need to, if I remember right, get that hub out there, and then I can get all them clutches out. Hang on. All right, let's see if I can. There. Yes. Right. Then we pull, well, the bearing. And then the clutch pack out. Whew. See, there's a little burnt spot right there. This is another clutch plate. I mean, clutch, right? That one's burnt a little bit. All right. So now we got that. We're still got a couple down in here. I can't remember what this is, but it's a different gear. But trust me, I'll remember when we get to remember. All right. So there we are there. Now, I got to this word part, not a problem. It comes in the kit. You got to get this spring out that's holding this piston in. And we got a bunch of stuff to do on there. I'm not going into that tonight, cause then I gotta get the press and stuff out. All right, so hang on. Be back in just a minute. I get this little spring off on this, and Lars over here doing this, and I'm messing with, what's his name?
Damien and Colleen, Mustangs, Mopars, and minivans.
And he's trying to get this out of here because he's trying to get Let's a little Ford fire back up. But he ain't got this cranked down now.
Get out of the way and I'll do it.
No, it does. Hang on. And we'll get this out of here and then get that piston out and we're done. First, got our retainer spring out of this cage. So here we go here, right? This is our, I can't remember what piston that is. Then we got another one down there here. All right, look at this crap. No bueno. All right, so this might take a few minutes to get that out because we gotta really investigate. But dude, it's black as crap. Let LP jump in here. I'm kind of tired. I don't think he'll get it out there.
I shouldn't have put it back in there.
See, we had
Somebody
this
had
out.
to do a video. Hang on.
All right, Lars pulled up out there. Dang it. All right. Scoot her up right here. Look at this crap. I mean, it's just nasty. Right? Now, we got our, whatever that is. And then, we got, Lars can step in here at any time.
Watch it.
And get this out of here because there. I can't remember what the shell that is, but look how black it is.
Third, fourth clutch assembly ring.
Yeah, third, fourth clutch assembly ring, whatever. There's another piston in here. All right. Goes under that, but everything down in this thing past that is baked. I mean, it's just really, you have to be standing here to see it. And it's baked. So, anyway, here we go. We're going to clean all this up and then attempt on the video, on this video, to put it back in. There's a bunch of rings down in here we got to put in, but trust me, when we get done, I'll have it right. All right, we got all of our parts here cleaned, inspected. There's really not a whole bunch to measure on this stuff because we've done this before. Here's our drum. Fixing to put all of this stuff here back in there with the frictions. So hang on, here we go. All right, first thing we got to do is we have to put a seal, the O-ring, down in here. I can't get you any closer than that, but that's what we're doing. Which will probably be a pain in the butt.
You forgot to get milk, honey.
I know, hang on. I'll video them. Now, next step, replacing these lip seals. I'll do one, and then that way y'all can see it. Right. Then the jump. When you put these in, this piston sits like this. These lips on the inside's got to be pointing to the bottom of the transmission. Sometimes these can be a little pain in the butt to get in here. But we will attempt it, right? Well, like I said, attempt. There it is. All right. There's our inner. Here's our outer. We shall do this. Now, there's our bottom piston, right? So we got to do this to the rest of these other two, and then we'll be back and see if we can't start putting this together. All right, next, some lubrication. All around the bottom of this drum. All right. I know y'all can't see what's going on, but all I'm doing is lubing it up before I slide it in. Ow. Exactly.
Yeah, I'm being lazy today, y'all. I ain't holding the camera.
Exactly.
We got the tree pot up.
Now, we'll lube our thingy. Then we lube our other thingy. And then I forgot to lube this thingy.
That's rule number 1.
Exactly. Yeah. All right. And if all goes well, this thing will be nice and just pop right in there. But a lot of times it don't. Yeah.
Didn't have an auto cat, did it?
No. In which case, we just take a feeler gauge.
Walk around it.
Yep.
It's a good little trick. Where'd you learn that? The Boy Scouts?
Pretty much. Oh. I think y'all get the idea. Let me fish this in there. So next, we put our little thingy here in there. I can't remember what that's called. Some kind of housing. Then, this spring goes in. And, let's see. This thing goes in.
That ball ain't gotta go in a certain spot.
I don't think so. No, I don't see nowhere where it's got to. There's no hubs in there. She's seated in there. Now, what's the next one that goes in? It's this in here. So let's lube this up. And we just keep stacking these things in here, guys. Right. Nope. There it is. All right, now, this should get interesting. So anyways, then we got this piston to go on that, and then we'll be back. All right, so we got all our pistons in here. And next, the spring sits right there. And then we're gonna take it and put it in the press over here. Press this down until we can get that snap ring in. And I gotta figure out where that snap ring's at. So, hang on. Hell. All right, guys, that's how we're attacking this. Mr. Lars is gonna crank that sucker down until we can get the, where'd it go? Snapper in there. So hang on, we'll be back when we get this done.
Where does it?
But this goes here.
It sits in here.
Yeah. No, it just sits on top. That's what I was missing. That's the reason it was going down too far.
I thought it seemed a little wonky.
Yeah. All right, guys, we got our overrun clutch in. Some reason the phone didn't get it. So now let's start stacking our 3/4 clutch stuff in here. We got a pressure plate here. It's got a set there. And then there's a steel that goes on top of that. Now, clutch. And so on and so forth down through here. Come on. Get a hold of it. There it goes. Oh. And then before we get done with this, I got to go back and decipher something. I just read in this manual. It might take me and Lars both scrubbing our head on that one.
I just learned to read yesterday, man. Can't count on me.
Come on. All right.
But wait a second. I thought the frictions go on top of each other.
Yeah, exactly.
That's how he had it in there.
Oh.
Just kidding.
All right. Now, we're going to stop right here just a second. No. This right here is another pressure plate. And that should be right where we need to be at the present moment. So, give me a minute. I got to show Laura something, and me and him got to talk about a situation. All right, so we got our forward clutch assembly in here. Of course, it's going to be a pain to get it back in there.
Pain in the buttocks.
You will go. Or maybe. There, we're in. See, it's about 2 or 3 thousandths. All right, from here, we have to put these in. All right. And then I got to back up a minute because I stacked this stuff up wrong. But yeah, give me just a minute because I can't remember how I took this out. But anyway, this goes next. But I think he had this in there backwards. Yeah. All right, I got it. next we go with this. And then we need a steel. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. There it is. Then friction. Steel. This is 3/4, right? Yeah, the other one was just forward clutch pack. And this is the one that's always a pain in the butt to line up when you go putting all this crap together. There's nothing that holds it steady. Let's stick these in there. Ah! Good catch, Lars. And I guarantee you we're going to end up having to, yep. All right. Because it's saying this, and we still got a plate, this to put on there. There is no way, no way, no way, no way. So we got to back up here a minute and start measuring crap so we get the right distance between this clutch pack. I'm thinking it's going to be omitting this and this. If I can get a hold of it, now it's all slippery. And then this. And it still looks like it's going to be too big. Yep. So hang on, let us back up here and see exactly how many clutches are supposed to be in this one, because there's like 3 different ones. And then all we got to do is pop that snap ring in there. All right, guys, we ended up turning this thing all the way back down. I don't know what was going on, but that shell that holds this 4th gear clutch pack up that was in this was way too tall. So, yeah, this little thing right here. So we had to take the trash truck, you know, drum apart, take that out, and
It was about, what'd you say?
it was about a 1/4 inch up higher than the lugs.
Something like it,
Yeah, it was about a 1/4 inch higher than the lugs were. So, you know, it is what it is, but we got it, okay? So now we're done with this. Now we're gonna move in to reverse drum. This will take about 10 minutes. So now we're gonna get the clutch pack out of it, get this piston off, and put the seals on it, and stick it back in there, and then hook everything back up, and we're ready to put this thing together down in the trans. All right, so we gutted this, got our spring out. Now all we gotta do is get the piston out. Let's change our seals. Wipe this out real good. Cause like I said, me and Lars already been into this last year, so honestly, probably don't have to put seals on it, but we're going to. So let us get that done real quick. All right, we got a reverse drum piston in. If y'all can see this, I don't know if you can. This thing is kind of a concave. And it says in the book, put the concave side down. Which don't make much sense to me, right? Then we stick a plate in on top of that. And we take a clutch or a friction, set her in there. Another one. clutch. Another one. This has got transmission fluid all over it. And then another one. And another one. Another friction. And here. Right. Nope, wrong. Wrong. It's getting kind of late, man. I'm getting kind of tired. One, two, three, four. Yep. And then this. Pressure plate. Now, let's stick our snapper in and see what we got. First, there it is. That's 42. So, hey, we got this much done. All right, guys, hope y'all getting something out of this. I was gonna do another premiere, but just we had to get this thing done, so that's what we're doing. But I think I explained as much as I was doing. Yeah, haircut, beard trimmed. Whoa.
Scary.
Exactly. But anyway, I hope y'all got something out of this. We still got a few more things to do before we can actually put this thing back together. I need to check that front pump. We got some nylon bushings we got to replace. And then I think we can put the guts back in this thing and move on to, you know, putting in the governor and
Valve body stuff.
valve body and servo.
Yeah.
And then I think we're ready to put it back in. But don't worry. I got a surprise for you on the next video. Y'all be going, well, why'd you do all that? But anyway. It's like 12:30, 12:15, something like that.
Yep.
We're bushed. We're out of here. We'll see y'all on the next one. Y'all have a great night or great day when you see this. Family home and safe. Tell them something. Yeah. Don't forget to ring that bell and hit that like button.
Thanks for watching, y'all.
Bye.